Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Open the mapping app and sign in so saved areas sync. Once done, allocate at least 1 to 2 GB of free storage or insert an SD card. This prevents mid-download failures. Make sure location services are on and battery optimization is disabled for the app so downloads won't pause. Now choose the region you need and zoom to include all routes. Begin the offline download immediately. That initiates tiles, search indexes, and routing data in the background. You continue by downloading practical regions in chunks rather than one huge file. Smaller, contiguous areas reduce corruption risk. Once chosen, include alternate routes and any transit or cycling layers you might use. These expand offline routing options. Start each download and watch progress. Once complete, verify by searching for key points of interest and tapping directions between 2 saved locations. If search works and routes render, you're good. If not, re-download the affected chunk or restart the app, and you finish by maintaining maps. Update offline areas before long trips and enable auto-updates on Wi-Fi so data stays current. If a region shows missing streets or incorrect routes, clear the app cache and re-download just that area. This often fixes corruption without wiping other maps. Make local backups of essential waypoints or take screenshots for immediate reference. If downloads repeatedly fail, check storage integrity or switch networks. Those steps usually resolve persistent errors and restore reliable offline navigation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.